Oh yeah, another Spider-Man video for the channel, man. I really gotta beat that game. What my door at freaking 6 in the morning? Man, hey, bro, who been on my bro? Whoever it is done lost their name mine, cause I don't nobody know my address for real, bro. You feel me? We finna figure it out though. Yeah, who is it?
YouTube.
YouTube? Why is YouTube at my what? There ain't no YouTube out here, man. What is check your polls? Check my polls. What? Nah, ain't no way. Ain't nah. Hold on. Ain't no way. 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 Nah. Hold on, DmantraTv. Hold on, gang. 28 votes, and I said 27 votes. We going to Tampa, gang. Well, DMG, y'all know what that mean. We're going to Tampa. Shades on for this one. DMG. Yo, what's up with it, bro? Hey, man, look, bro. Y'all wanted me to come to Tampa, man, so we in Tampa with it, you feel me? Shades on, DMG, you feel me? Yeah. Look at them pretty buildings over there, man, you know. And I'm only out here because of y'all. I put up a poll. Y'all said come out here, so we here, bro. Had to get a mic and everything, but shoot, we good, though. Feel me? Let's figure out how to get out of here, though. I know y'all don't want to see me talk all day. If the video gets 60 likes, we'll be back in Tampa. We're going to do some more crazy things, you feel me? Well, not really crazy things. We're just going to see some more stuff, you feel me? Like that, you feel me? All right, well, let's go. I see some stairs. Let's ride. Let's ride. This man walking it. I swear. Come here. Hey, cameraman, come here. Come here, bro. Put the camera down real quick. What I told you about that? What? No, let me have to do that again. Pick the camera back up, bro. Let's ride. You don't know what's going on in these Tampa streets. This man still walking like this junk a game, bro. Like, bro, I'm finna. Bro, what we just talked about? I just told you to keep up. You think this is like a game, huh? You don't hear me? You hear me talking to you? Put the camera down, bro. Come on. Let ride. I don't want to have to keep doing that, bro. I can't believe it, bro. We in Tampa with it, bro. You feel me? Hey. Now, if I had a skateboard, you already know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be going out of jumps. But I really appreciate you guys for, telling me y'all wanted me to do this. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna make it worthwhile, bro. Let's see some crazy, amazing things. Like, let's do it. Oh my God, bro! Look at this stadium, dog. Yo, bro, this junk litty, yo. Oh, what is this, boy? Hey, bro, what? On me, bro, this junk lit, yo. Y'all see that? Y'all see all that, bro? That is wild, bro. Wow. And who is this? Look at my boy right here. Phil Esposito. My boy Phil, what's going? My boy Phil right there. Look at him. Phil, you ain't looking too good, my boy. You need to put on some lotion. Now let ride. Tampa, Florida, huh, bro? People always Miami, Orlando. But me though, bro, Tampa ain't even bad, bro. Look at it. It jump pretty, dog. Well, from where I come from. I mean, just look at that right there. Jump crazy. Yeah, all types of stuff going on, bro. Do any of y'all live in Tampa that watch me? Y'all let me know. I don't even know what to say, bro. It's just so many like fat buildings, like it just crazy, bro. I mean, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know what to do. Like, I just really came here because y'all told me to come here. And if you don't believe we in Tampa, let's see. You see that sign right there, right? Well, I'm finna make that man fat. As you can see by the sign, it say Tampa Bay. So you know we in Tampa for real. And it hot out here. Oh, and as you can, look at that, Tampa. You feel me? Tampa. Not that type, but you know what I mean. God damn, but I feel like an ant. This is this is wild stuff here. Next time, bruh, that we come here, they got a Publix Plaza. They got a history center too, but that joint closed. I mean, just my dang. Show them all that, bro. That joint crazy. Zoom in on that, please. Magnificent. Let's walk into these Tampa streets and see what's going on. No, no, we missed the Charlie. Where you? Y'all want me to get on the Charlie cart? Yeah, y'all want me to get on that? I mean, they got scooters in John too. Hey, cameraman, hey, you think I should get on that Charlie? Think I should wait for it to come back right? Oh, okay. How do you even get on that? What do you do? How are we supposed to get on that? We just sit at the bus stop? Hey, but remember when we parked there? Don't get too far. Oh my God. Oh my God. Truly amazing. Truly, truly, truly. But shoot though, bro. I mean, y'all told me to come here, so I came here for y'all, bro. I mean, y'all let me know what y'all want me to do next. And if you from Tampa, like, can y'all tell me and put me on some stuff that I can do? Cause I don't know too much about this place. I'm lost. For real, for real. Like, y'all need to put me on. I know they got a Hooters and whatnot. You know, we not gonna go over there though. But I don't know. We might do it. Hey, bro, you wanna go? Hey, bro, you trying to go to Hooters? Yeah, yeah. All right, buddy. I'm not paying you. All right, you feel me? I ain't paying you for this video. So, bro, come on, bro. Shit. Hey, hey, bro, you tweaking, bro. I mean, I'm smacking you, gang. You know what? All right, hold on. You seem to not understand. Put the camera down, bro. So you really just trying to run off with my equipment? You really thought you was gonna get some over that? Get the camera back up, man. Stop playing with me, bro. Now back to what we were saying, bro. We just walking around. I mean, that's a history museum over there. Couple hotels. Hey, bro, you good? You need some more? Okay then. Y'all, I'm not actually abusing my cameraman. I'm just showing him that through hard work and dedication, sometimes you need discipline. Oh, what is that? That smell like booty. I don't know what that is. Anyway, bro, I know y'all done seeing all this over here, man. Let's go somewhere else, bro. We need some more scenery, bro. I'm gonna show y'all, bro. We just in Tampa with it. Let's do it. This bridge is a long walk, bro. Hey, 30,000 likes. I'll jump on. I'll jump. So hold on. Let's come on. So I'm lost. We are. Oh yeah, bro. I was over here on Kennedy Boulevard. That's where I was. We are over here Bro, I don't even know where we at, bro. We lost, bro. We lost, ain't we? We lost. Help us. We in Tampa. All right, let's go across that bridge. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! What is this? Public water taxi? Oh, we can get on the boat and they'll take us around. Hold on, nah. Hold on, my boy. Oh, yo. I don't even think we're supposed to be over here, bro. Think we're supposed to be over here? Bro, look at this. What? Nah, son, this is yo. Yeah, this is life over here. Look at all that. We really living in GTA. It's on GTA type. Little GTA type beat. Wow. Wow. For 1 million likes, I'll jump in the water and swim. Nah, I ain't doing that. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. All right, big bro. Let's slide back, man. So how we get on this bridge? Let's go over there. I don't know. And who are you? 1845. Paulina Pedrosa. Okay, mama. Okay. All right. Bro, they got a Publix right here. What? So you think that's a regular Publix? Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Oh my, oh Lord, y'all, zoom in on that one, my boy. Gotta zoom in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You can't make this up. Cannot make this, bro. Look at this. Somebody left that. You didn't mean to drink it. Hey, man, you got come on. Now. Ain't gonna lie, the wheels finna cross the street though. Hold on, hold on. Gonna cross the street real quick. Ugh, Ugh. All right, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ugh. I don't drop my phone in there now. Uh, man, bro, look at me, bro. Look at me, man. This what I'm gonna be one day, y'all, man. This is life for me. Y'all know how deep that water is, probably, bro. That junk is like, bro. Just you can like you can tell it's deep because it's like dark, right? That makes sense. Am I slow? Okay. Want me to hit you again? Want me to hit you? You know what? I don't got time for you. But yeah, bro. Look at them ships though. Not ships. Hit boats. Zoom in on them boats, my boy. Them things are pretty. What if you see somebody swimming? Oh yeah. This is pretty, bro. This is fine. You don't see this every day. This is fine. This is worth it. This is worth it. USF Health. Now what is that? I don't know. I don't know what that is, man. Look at me, man. I don't even know where we at no more, bro. I'm finna go home. Now DMG, I know I said 24 hours, but ain't gonna lie, when I got down there, things just it was it was a lot of stuff going on, like with the parking and stuff like that, and this and that, etc. A lot of things I did not know, you know what I'm saying, that I was new to, you know what I'm saying? Because I went down there like a while ago, but I never just went downtown, you feel me? So sorry about that. But hey, don't get it misconstrued. If this video can get up to 60 likes, I will go back down there and I will actually do 24 hours, okay, guys? But hey, I just want to show you guys that, hey, I went down there though. I go back. Y'all gotta show me y'all want me to go back. You feel me? Let this video get 60 likes and I'll go back down there, bro. But if not, it is what it is, man. Y'all still gonna see me every day.